Hey there, streamers. Struggling with Elgato Cam Link glitching during your streams? Definitely not alone. Many content creators face this frustrating issue while trying to deliver high-quality video content to their audiences. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Elgato Cam Link glitching during stream so you can focus on what truly matters, engaging with your audience, creating great content. Step 1. Check your hardware connection. The first and foremost thing to tackle is your hardware connection. Faulty or loose connections can lead to glitches with your Elgato Cam Link. Start by ensuring that your Cam Link is properly plugged into a USB 3.0 port on your computer. USB 2.0 ports can cause performance issues, so double check this. Also, inspect the HDMI cable to make sure it's secured firmly into both your camera and the Cam Link. If possible, use high-quality cables to minimize the chances of interference or signal loss. Step 2. Update software and driver. Outdated software can be a major culprit behind glitching issues. Begin by updating the firmware of your Elgato Cam Link by visiting the Elgato website and downloading the latest updates. Next, make sure your streaming software such as OBS or Streamlabs is running the latest version. Equally important is updating your computer's graphics drivers and operating system, as compatibility issues can manifest as glitches during streaming. By keeping your system and software current, you minimize the risk of encountering errors midstream. Step 3. Optimize camera settings. Your camera's output settings can greatly influence the performance of your Cam Link. Adjust the camera settings for better compatibility. Set the output resolution and frame rate within the supported range of your typically 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second works well. Moreover, disable any unnecessary camera processing features such as face tracking or image stabilization, as these can burden the connection and lead to glitches. Step 4. Adjust streaming settings. Streaming at a higher resolution or frame rate than your system can handle is another cause of glitches. In your streaming software, evaluate your video settings and consider lowering the resolution or bitrate if you're experiencing frequent issues. For instance, streaming at 720p rather than 1080p can reduce the load on your system. It's a good idea to test various settings to find a sweet spot that maintains quality while ensuring stability. Step 5. Assess and upgrade your hardware. Finally, if you've gone through the above steps and the issue persists, your current hardware may not be up to the task. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for streaming with the Elgato Cam Link. In some cases, upgrading your CPU, GPU, or increasing your RAM could provide the needed boost to eliminate glitches. For power users, a dedicated streaming PC could be the long-term solution for a seamless streaming experience. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have a much clearer path on how to fix Elgato Cam Link glitching during stream. Remember, consistent and glitch-free streams lead to happier viewers and a more enjoyable streaming experience for you. Whether it's checking your hardware connections, updating software, optimizing camera settings, or adjusting streaming settings, each step plays a crucial role in delivering smooth, high-quality content. So get ready to stream without interruptions and keep dazzling your audience.